Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into X EmpireX Token, its price prediction, potential for a 100x pump, and whether now is the right time to buy, hold, or sell. There's a strong rumor that X Empire could get listed on Binance. This speculation is fueled by its massive following, over 2 million on its official X page. When rumors like these spread, prices can react quickly. We've already seen a 40% surge in a single day and a 187% increase in just a week. Some early investors have already doubled or tripled their portfolios. If you bought X Empire earlier, you might already be in profit. But the big question is, how high can it go? Right now, X Empire's market cap is around $80 million. If it secures a Binance listing, it could eliminate multiple zeros from its price. Some predictions suggest it could reach $1 in 2025. The potential for 100x gains is there, especially with big venture capitalists like DW Labs backing it. X Empire is also part of the TON ecosystem, which hasn't even fully pumped yet. Once gaming and NFT-related tokens start surging, X Empire could follow. If you already hold X Empire, 2025 might be the year to see massive gains. If you're considering buying, watch for a breakout above $0.0001716. That's when the real pump could start. Let me know in the comments, how much X Empire do you hold, and what's your price target? Like the video, subscribe for daily crypto updates, and I'll see you in the next one.